Billionaires aren't just buying mansions, they're buying silence. Welcome to the world of anonymous luxury, where the most extravagant homes on the planet are designed to be the ultimate flex, yet also the ultimate hiding place. Today, we pull back the curtain on this architectural paradox, uncovering the hidden features, secret passages, and cutting-edge tech that allow the world's richest to live in plain sight, completely unseen. We won't be naming any names, but we will be revealing the incredible secrets these estates hold. Prepare to see luxury like you've never imagined. It all starts with the veil of ultra-luxury. The core challenge is how to display immense wealth while demanding absolute privacy. The solution: designing for seclusion from the ground up. Forget simple fences. We're talking about massive, strategic landscaping that uses mature trees and sculpted terrain to create a natural barrier, making a colossal estate blend seamlessly into its environment. Some properties even feature invisible fences and subterranean structures, like underground access roads, so not even a delivery truck is seen from the outside. The facades themselves are an art form. Architects use materials and techniques that deflect attention, making a grand entrance look like part of the landscape. It's about looking impressive up close, but almost disappearing from a distance. Once you get past the natural camouflage, you encounter a fortress of technology. This is far beyond your standard security camera. We're talking about integrated AI surveillance systems that can distinguish between a deer and a person, track multiple objects simultaneously, and even predict potential threats before they happen. Access is controlled by multi-layered biometrics, fingerprints, retinal scans, even vein pattern recognition. Drone detection and neutralization systems are becoming standard, creating a private airspace above the property. And it's all controlled by a centralized smart home ecosystem. With a single touch, the owner can manage everything from the lighting and climate to activating a full defense perimeter lockdown. And what about the infamous panic room? That concept has evolved dramatically. Today's ultra-luxury homes feature self-sufficient safe havens, sometimes entire subterranean bunkers, complete with their own power, water, and air filtration systems. These aren't just small, reinforced rooms. They're underground suites designed for long-term stays in extreme scenarios, ensuring comfort and survival without ever needing to step outside. It's the ultimate peace of mind, engineered to the highest possible standard. Inside these fortresses, the amenities are designed to create a self-contained world. Forget a simple home theater. Imagine hidden art galleries where masterpieces slide away to reveal secret passages, or subterranean car collections that rise into view on hydraulic lifts. Private helipads are common, allowing for discreet arrivals and departures. The focus on wellness is also huge, with many estates functioning as personal luxury resorts. Think world-class spas, Olympic-sized pools that appear from under retractable floors, and even private, climate-controlled biodomes for growing exotic plants. To maintain this illusion of solitary opulence, everything is supported by an invisible infrastructure of service tunnels and discreet staff quarters, ensuring the owner's experience seamless perfection without ever seeing the work that goes into it. So, what's next for elite living? The future is pointing towards sustainable anonymity. Think estates that are not only off-grid, but also generate their own microclimates, creating perfect weather year-round within the property's boundaries. But this raises a fascinating question about the psychological impact of living in such a perfectly controlled, isolated environment. It brings us back to the ultimate paradox of wealth. The more you have, the more you spend on disappearing. You build a monument to your success, only to hide it, and yourself, from the world. True luxury, it seems, isn't about being seen, it's about having the power not to be. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the unseen, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of luxury.